Exercise 1.5 represent under root 9.3 on number line. First of all, you will draw 9.3 with the help of a scale. And this is your 9.3 approximately. And here it is A and you have to write down B. After that, take 1 centimeter more and then mark this point as C. After that, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and then 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Here you have to assume B here it is representing 0, C as 1, this as 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and then 4 centimeter. Fine. Now you have to draw perpendicular bisector of AC. To draw perpendicular bisector of AC, I need to take more than half. I will take more than half above the line and below the line from A and C point both. Fine. And now join. If I am joining my line is like this and it is cutting at the point of O. After that, again draw a semicircle. From O is the center and A is the radius, then you will draw semicircle. And obviously it will lie at C point. Now, you have to, from B point, you have to draw a perpendicular. And so that you can make root 9.3. If I am drawing a perpendicular from here, first 60, then 120 above this line, and then here. This is my 90 degree and you have to draw a line. Mark this as a point P. Mark this point as P and join this P point with O. Fine. And then here PB is representing a root 9.3. From here, you have to take B as a distance, PB as a distance, and wherever it is intersecting on a number line, that becomes your root 9.3. It would be root 9.3. And we all know 9.3 is approximately 3 point something, so it is coming closer to 3. Now, how we are getting this? Let us see. In AB was 9.3 centimeter, and then AC we have got by AB plus BC, and it was 9.3 plus 1 equals to 10.3 centimeter, and OC is radius because we have taken perpendicular bisector of AC, so 10.3 upon 2, it is 5.15. And how will you find out OB? OB हमारा कैसे निकलेगा जब रेडियस में से मैं 1 सेंटीमीटर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दूँगी. So OB equals to OC minus BC, and 5.15 minus 1, you are getting 4.15. Now, in triangle OBP, this is my P, in triangle OBP by Pythagoras theorem, I am getting OP square equals to PB square plus OB square. OP हमें पता चल गया OP क्या है, बिकॉज इट इज़ माई रेडियस. हमारा 4.15 इतना डिस्टेंस है and it was 9.3 till here. OP हमारा आया 5.15. Now we are applying Pythagoras theorem. OP square 5.15 whole square and PB we need to find out, and OB we know 4.15 whole square. Shift to other side of equality and we will apply A square minus B square identity. So I will write down 5.15 minus 4.15 and 5.15 plus 4.15 equals to PB square, and after subtraction you are getting here 1 and this as 9.3 and PB square. When it will goes to other side of equality, it will become 9.3 as PB 9.3. So have you understood? This is my PB. हमने ये रूट 9.3 है और इसी का रेडियस लेके आगे हमने ड्रॉ किया. थैंक यू.